In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to perform OCR in .NET MAUI. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this tutorial on implementing OCR in a .NET MAUI application using IronOCR. We'll start with our project, in which we've already installed the IronOCR NuGet package. So we're going to dive into the code and see how to create a simple yet powerful OCR application. First, we'll look at our main page.xaml file. Here we have a straightforward UI with 3 elements. A button labeled click to OCR will trigger our OCR process. Below that, we have an image control where we'll display the selected image and an editor control to show the extracted text. The button is centered on the page and has a click event handler named OCR. Our image control is set to a specific height and is also centered. The editor control is where we'll display our OCR results. It's sized appropriately to show a good amount of text. All right, so now let's move to the code behind file, mainpage.xaml.cs. We've implemented the IOCR method, which is asynchronous and gets called when our button is clicked. And this method handles the entire OCR process. At the start of our method, we have a region for the license key. This is crucial for using IronOCR, but we won't display it in this video, obviously, for security reasons. Just know that it's there and it's important for the app's functionality. Now we use the FilePicker to allow the user to select an image. We've set it up to only show image files, making it easy for the user to pick the right file. Once an image is selected, we get its full path and set it as the source for our image control. Now comes the OCR part. We've created a new Iron Tesseract object, which is the core of IronOCR. We then create an OCR input, add our selected images to it, and then use the read method to perform the OCR. The result is then stored in the OCR result object. Finally, we extract the text from the OCR result and set it as the content of our editor control. And that's it. Our OCR functionality is now complete. Let's run the program, check it out in action. All right, the program is being built, will be executed soon, and the application is now running. The click to OCR button shows on our simple UI. So let's click it and select an image. Watch as the image appears in our image control. And there it is. The extracted text appears beautifully in our editor control. Notice how accurately it's captured the content from the image. You can see that it's picked up the paragraph structure, preserving the line breaks and overall format of the original text. This demonstration shows the power and accuracy of IronOCR. In just a few seconds, we've gone from an image to fully editable text. This can be incredibly useful for digitizing documents, extracting information from images, or making image-based content searchable. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronOCR, go ahead and sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.